Have you ever tried the diets but you got failed? But after watching this video, I promise you, you won't. Friends, I remember that when I started my dieting by lowering down my food consumption, it was the only way which was in my knowledge. But the fact is totally different from this. Today I will tell you about that usually in what three phases I usually deal with my clients so that they are able to modify their lifestyle in terms of dieting. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to reduce their stubborn fat. I help them to achieve their dream personality, and I give them tools so that they can build their extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, dieting is the most important thing, but usually people takes it as a low consumption of food, but it is not. It is a balanced diet, balance between the macronutrients like the protein, carbohydrate and fats. If you stop consuming any of these things, then you are not going to be fit. Although if you are doing your dieting, protein plays very vital role into it. And if you're thinking that the dal is the good source of protein, then you are wrong, because the lean source of protein in vegetarians are tofu and cottage cheese or paneer. Friends, like I was mentioning that usually I treat my clients with the three phases of diet. The number one phase which I give them is that I restructure their diet and I refeed them. It means that the whatever kind of things which they were doing, I just totally makes them equal to the balanced diet, so that I give them complex carbs along with the lean sources of protein, along with the vegetables, along with the good sources of fat. It is phase number one. And usually it is also a phase where I introduce my clients with the restricted calorie dieting. It means that whatever the requirement they have as per their metabolism, I give them a balanced diet but restricted in calorie. Now the phase 2. The phase 2 is which they are already introduced themselves with the workouts. In phase 2, now they are doing on keto diet. Still the calorie is in control, and now they are consuming keto so that their hormonal balance start processing. Now they don't have to wait for the hormones insulin level to go down. The third phase is the pushing phase. Exercises are people are developing themselves in their workouts and they are feeling power into them. Now the third phase is a short intermittent dieting, which usually I tell my client to use along with the calorie restriction plus keto diet and in morning only. But it is a step. Every week I talk to my clients that what is their current status, and after that I advise them to do something like this. As a part of all these three, once again the cycle has been completed for 45 days. Now they have to refeed again, which is another type of diet, because there has to be another level of every dieting. If you don't have another level of your dieting, then don't start your diet. Friends, these are the three ways how I deal with my clients. Friends, if you want to start your health journey, then on 22nd of December, I am launching my WhatsApp 5-day course. In this course, not only we are going to meet live every morning at 7 a.m. for 15 to 20 minutes to do some workouts, home workouts only, but we are also going to know about the 5-day diet plan so that you can adapt those 5 days in a cycle again and again and again, and you all can become fit. I will also give you the introduction about the mindset, meditation and so much. Friends, link I am giving in the description. If you resonate with any of this, then I invite you in my WhatsApp 5-day class. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness and just sign up now.